Hello everybody, welcome to E Prime this evening. My name is Daydran. Dancehall artist Popcaan Toni Singh have collaborated on her first official single, Next to Me. Now the song was released at midnight and has been receiving positive feedback. In the video, the alleged couple speak on their love and connection that they have for each other while they zoomed in on scenic landscapes in Jamaica on a motorcycle. Toni told E Prime what it was like creating her first official music video.
Creating the video was an amazing experience. It was my first, so of course I was nervous, but we were working with one of the best in the industry, Nabil, and he made it so wonderful. He had wonderful ideas as to how to bring it together and tell a story, and it was really like a short story more than anything, love story. And he would help merge our visions together and give me a clear outline of what he was thinking for each scene. I was on set, which I was, and like I was, doing what a director on a movie set would want me to do.
Toni also expressed that it was an honor to work with Popcaan.
To work with somebody who's such a giant in the music industry and who has lent so much to music itself, because Jamaican music influences the rest of the world's music, hands down. So it was a no-brainer.
She also added that she hopes for future collaborations with the Unruly Boss.
I honestly think that we have so much fun creating together and that we mesh really well musically, so I have a feeling we'd create more.
Next to Me was produced by Andrew Blacks and is believed to be part of Popcaan's upcoming album, Great Is He. A release date for the album is yet to be announced. Popcaan earlier this year released another popular single, Toni Singh, with Afrobeats megastar Burna Boy. That's it for E Prime this evening. I am Daydran. Thank you for watching.